Finally, let's automate our reporting. We don't want to manually export files every day. We want this data pushed directly to the cloud. We select our project and click Triggers in the ribbon. We add a Google Sheets node. We paste our credentials, set the operation to Append Row, and paste our spreadsheet ID. For the data array, we map our dataset properties: domain, keyword, link, rank, and a special timestamp variable, so we know exactly when the rank was checked. We hit Save. Normally, these triggers fire automatically the moment a project finishes running. But what if you want to push data from a run you did yesterday? RTLaw has you covered. If we navigate to the History tab, we can see every past run. We simply find our completed session, click the Run Post-Execution Triggers button, and RTLaw's local relay service instantly dispatches that historical data straight to our Google Sheet. Total control, total automation. You now have a fully automated, zero-cost SEO rank tracker.